Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D240 SE 110 in Santorini black. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in July 2024 and has done 26,888 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology. So you have LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 20-inch 5 split spoke sparkle silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, along with a centre armrest for maximum comfort and rear sockets, which is ideal for longer journeys. Going round in towards your boot, as you can see, you've got plenty of space there for personal items, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. With this car you also have tinted glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel and part leather ebony seats. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the vehicle and show you all the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, making motorway driving safer and easier. Controls on your wheel including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is practical for longer journeys. Bluetooth, allowing to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your vehicle, media, trip, and view and change your display, for example if you want the full map in front of you. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. You also have heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. And valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so that a valeter can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. Down here you have various different driving modes depending on weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions. Along with air suspension, which is great for off-roading. And finally you have a clearsight interior rear view mirror. It's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window, for example when you've got passengers sitting in the back. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this Defender D240 SE 110 in Santorini black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.